This is it. This might be a small video, but the guitar thing I talked about last video. Here it is. It's the Les Paul guitar. You can't really see it. Here it is. Quite nice looking. It's fancy. A strummer, whammy bar, PS button, D-pad. All the green, red, yellow, blue, orange. Start, your select. I really like the guitar. It's easy to do it, and it's easy to use. You can see the Guitar Hero 3 in the background. But as you can see, this, I'll open it because I worry that it might disconnect. This is the battery pack. I won't do this one because this assembles, this plastic covering, which is really nice. But, this what makes it interesting. This little notch. This little notch. You can't really see it. You pull it, and it separates the neck and the strummer. Okay. All it is that. So other than that, you just connect the neck to the guitar. There you go. It's attached together. Alright. So right now I'm gonna do some easy song because I'm not really okay. It's really embarrassing. But I'm actually gonna do it in practice. Okay, I just did it in a quick way. Oh god. Alright, here we go. I might be a little noob in this because it's my I haven't got used to this yet. But hopefully I'm gonna get crap. Whatever. Playing a freaking thing. Bulls on Parade. It's good. I'm having a Hyperspeed 3. Oh crap. I honestly suck. I'm being honest. Okay, when you want to activate star power, make sure not to tilt the guitar like I did, because you will not do it. Because each time you do it, you will fail a note. Trust me, this is happening right now. Do I really need to know that? Damn it. No! Sorry. I was being too confident. Dang it. Let's see how many notes we hit. This is terrible, man. Dang. 80% I've never done that bad, man. But with the guitar, man. I'll be honest. That ain't no easy job. So my name is Ed. That's it. Okay, that was a preview of that was a review of the guitar. This is a little hard, but yeah, the guitar. Okay, what's happening? The guitar and a little review on music. So we just played Bulls on Parade. So thanks so much. Please leave a comment, like this video. Please give a thumbs up, share it on Facebook, anything what you want. And then I'll see you next time on the next Guitar Hero video. Or I might do a different related video. Who knows? I'm gonna make like a. So I don't know how to. Oh yeah, I'm gonna make like a playlist about these the episodes I'm gonna make about the Guitar Hero. I'm probably gonna fail. Alright, see you next time. Bye bye. Peace.